Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the Fire TV and your television. Plug the Firestick into an HDMI ARC/eARC port if available, because that path preserves surround formats. Once done, make sure the TV audio output is set to HDMI ARC or optical to match your connection. You should also gather the Fire TV remote and any AV receivers or soundbars. Pairing later is faster when devices are on and awake. This avoids repeated unplugging and keeps signal handoff clean. You now go into Settings, then Display and Sounds, and finally Audio. This is where formats and pass-through options live. Choose Bitstream pass-through if your receiver decodes Dolby/DTS. Choose PCM if your TV or soundbar expects decoded stereo. Make sure Dolby Digital output is enabled when using compatible receivers. This preserves surround channels. Test by playing a trailer with known Dolby audio. If you hear multi-channel effects, configuration is correct. If not, switch formats and retest until the receiver shows correct input. Finish by pairing the Firestick with any Bluetooth speakers or the soundbar in settings right arrow controllers and Bluetooth devices. Bluetooth overrides HDMI in some cases, so confirm which device is active. Use volume control settings to match whether you want TV remote control, receiver control, or automatic management. If you get no sound after configuration, restart the Firestick and receiver, reseat HDMI cables, and switch to another HDMI port. This clears edited mismatches and often restores audio immediately.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.